Okay, this is the 426-4 rivet. It is much bigger rivet than the -3, and it requires for the machine to be braced in order to do this. And it is not made for that purpose in the first place. So, but we'll try this out. I've riveted a few, and it worked out okay. So I'm going to continue. Well, just some of the primer is on it. This rivet right here. And this is the last rivet for these before the rudder hinges. Very good. And what we have here is riveting the rear spar. And I've been using the machine on the 470-4-6 rivets, and this is not really what the machine is intended for. As a matter of fact, to be able to do the -4 rivets, I have to kind of install a brace on the machine so it wouldn't flex so much because of the -4 rivets, because they're just way too big. So I'm gonna try and demonstrate that, and let's see what happens. You kind of have to aim and make sure the rivet head, the manufacturer's head, is in the cup. So it's kind of really tricky. So I have to really be careful with that. Again, this is not what this machine was intended to do, but because I am familiar with it, this is the result that we got. And these are the rivets that I have riveted so far from this side. This is just something extra because I know kind of ins and outs of this machine. So, all right, I'll do some more before I go home. Well, I thought I would shoot another clip with a row of those, and you guys tell me what you think. Now we have to turn it around. Let's get to the other side. I'm sorry, I'm hitting the cord and the camera is jumping. Well, what do you guys think? I did these also with this machine, which was not a very good idea, but it worked out okay. And here's the manufacturer's head on those that I just did. I think the head looks very clean. Looks very professional. All right, we'll continue.